Nice.
Madam, I've been taking photographs 15 years.
Is that so?
Yes. It's not right, it's not good.
Hey, I am currently in London and I'm staying in the smallest Airbnb I have ever stayed in. I don't think you can really tell because I'm filming with a 15-35, so when I zoom out, this is 15 mil. Can't really tell, it looks very big, but it's honestly so small. But that does motivate me to get out of this house, get onto an adventure. That's exactly where I'm gonna bring you along for today. Alright, get ready for 24 hours in London. But I completely forgot to tell you actually the reason why I'm in London. Because earlier this week we hosted a photography event. I was in charge for the car photography workshop. It was so much fun. We arranged a Toyota MR. Holy fuck. Oh man, it scared me so much. So we organized a photography event and I was in charge for the car photography workshop, and we arranged a Toyota MR2, such a cool car. And to be honest, but that guy also got scared. I was saying that I had never arranged a workshop before, so I thought, why not stick a few extra days behind that event and make it a whole trip? So here we are. I'm just gonna grab some gear, some lenses, and then we can get onto the metro, onto the tube and meet the model, because we're gonna go onto a very fun photo shoot. So I'm still out of breath because that dog scared the shit out of me. Alright, so we're now on the streets of Baker Street and we're about to start shooting, so I'm thinking to start with my 30... Wait, I have to look here. I'm sorry. I'm gonna start shooting with my 35mm and I have a very cool trick I'm very excited to show you. I actually used it in one of my previous videos as well. Have a look, I linked it up here. But yeah, let's start shooting. I'm gonna do my framing differently, but like looking away, super nice. It's like it's a little bit more cinematic, not too posed. Yeah, this bus stop's really cool. Oh yeah, okay, it's coming. Oh, yeah, I love it. It's so nice. Yeah, nice pose, yes. I always think it's for me, but I am not doing anything wrong.
Lighting, it needs to go deeper in. It's too far out. Yeah.
No, it's better like this. Yes, it's just lighting.
Madam, I've been taking photographs 15 years.
Is that so?
Yes.
Well, it's pretty good to me.
It's not right, it's not good.
It's all about the contrast. I can't get the contrast right.
It's pretty. I tried to
do wonders for the phone box on this.
And this advertisement on Baker Street.
I don't know. Just gotta see if I like it though. Oh, yeah, nice. Oh, that's pretty cool. I love that mid movement, yes. I always shoot horizontal. And then afterwards I'm like, wow. Wow. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, that's nice. And then a little bit space towards me, yeah, tiniest bit, yeah. Nice. So I'm thinking maybe you can like sort of lean against this pole, like don't really look at the camera, just like looking away. Yeah. I think that would be really nice. Yeah, gorgeous. I have one more idea, but it's not very comfortable. I'll show you. I'm thinking, what if you get like same height, like this?
It hurts so much.
But you have to like tense your legs for 1 second.
Faye, they're epic.
How nice, right?
So nice.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart.
Hello.
When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am?
And we're back home in the Netherlands. I had a really fun trip, and it is always so fun to meet other creatives, so I had a lot of fun with Simone and her model Fern. She did such a great job, so thank you girls. And there's just something so awesome about photographing in a different city. It just tickles that creativity thingy so differently, because all the surroundings are different, the people are different, lighting maybe is different, all that stuff. So yeah, it was fun. I'm happy with the shots. Even though it's funny, because London is a 45-minute flight away from Amsterdam, and maybe you noticed it as well, at the beginning of this video my hair was pink, now it's blonde, and that's because the past weeks have been quite hectic actually. We're planning a new trip to Australia, which we're gonna be going to in a week. I am so excited. I have lots of fun stuff planned and ideas I want to shoot, so get ready for some fun stuff coming your way. Now we're a couple weeks further, my hair has changed, so that's the reason. I have no superpowers in changing my appearance. But about the shoot, I've linked all the gear I've used on this photo shoot in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. And I also hope to see you in my next one. Okay, bye bye. Doei!